Fast and easy how to make a factory reset of your Motorola phone using the power button and the volume buttons. What is very important before you do this, you must make a backup of all the things in your phone and you must eliminate your Google account that you have assigned to the phone. And very important, give me some bucks, some coins, some money if the video was good for you. And the first thing you're gonna do, I don't know if you can see the power button and the volume up, so you're gonna press power button and volume down. So you're gonna press and hold power button and volume down, and you're gonna release as soon as you see this menu. In this menu, you're gonna move with the power up, up, and this is the option you're gonna find. It's called the recovery mode. Here in recovery mode, you're gonna press the power button. Okay, and now it's gonna find and see like an Android that's like dead. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you what you have to do to go out this menu. And in this point, it's very important to remove the cover of your phone. Remove this cover because it's easier that way, and you're gonna press in this sequence power button and volume up button, and then release first power button and then power button. I don't know if you understand me, but it's power volume up and release. Did you see? It's very easy. Power volume up and then release. And now in this menu you're gonna go down and find this option called Wipe Data Factory Reset, and you're gonna go this option and you're gonna press the power button, and now you're gonna go down again and you're gonna press the power button, and let's go out. So you can see, I don't know if you're gonna see that it's gonna show some things in the bottom, and press OK, and then press again and reboot system now, and that's all you have to do. Remember to give me some bucks, give me some money if everything is okay. Thank you.